Welcome back to another monthly update. I'm Adam Thompson, Director of Ray White 360 Property Management. Today I just want to touch on maintenance plans. We spend a lot of time talking about compliance and laws and things that have to be done, like insulation, asbestos, things along those lines. But what we need to look at is homes do need maintenance, and if we look at the items in a property, and they all vary greatly, but on average, items like carpet, repainting, curtains and bathrooms and kitchens need attention or replacement within 5 to 10 years. On average, a full renovation of these items for an average 3-bedroom, 100 square metre home would cost around $30,000. If you had a budget for these to be done over 10 years, it works out to be around $3,000 per year to be put aside in preparation. What we want people to consider is putting a plan in place so that they can prepare for this works to be done either over time or all at once when they choose to do it. There's other ways of doing it. If you don't want to pay for it with cash or cash flow, you can look to revalue your property, and often on average in Auckland in 7 to 10 years it's going to double in value, so you can revalue your home, draw down some of the equity and use that to upgrade the home. The reason we do recommend having an upgraded, well-presented home is it is going to attract a good tenant. Tenant's more than likely going to stay for longer, and they're going to want to pay their rent, of course. Another reason you should be looking into this now instead of putting it off for another year or two is that with the likely tax changes coming into effect and ring fencing of losses, it could minimise your tax breaks on this. So it's probably a good time in the next couple of months to get on top of any maintenance or any works that you need to get done to your investment. Thanks for tuning in. If you've got any questions, feel free to give me a call.